Hi everyone. Hopefully this is the last time I record this. I've done it 3 times now. So today you are going to do a free write in your composition notebook. You're starting on the last page because that's where our journal is kind of going to be. And you can free write about anything. So if you want to free write about how the Packers are doing this season, go for it. If something happened yesterday that you really want to tell us about, sure. If you want to try writing something like a newspaper article, be my guest. If you want to try writing your own song, go for it. That sounds like fun. Or if you want to try your hand at poetry, there's so many different things. You can just basically do a free write. If you want to do a comic strip, a comic book, you want to try to write a children's book, it is very much up to you what you do, okay? You have to do that for at least 5 minutes. And then we are going to have about 15-20 minutes of silent reading time. If you spend more of that silent reading time writing, I'm perfectly okay with that as long as you are doing something productive. And then for the last 15 minutes of class, we are going to do vocab.com. Please try to master some words today. Have the 2 tabs open, okay? Have your 1 tab open with the list and the definitions, and then the 1 tab with the questions, and switch back and forth and really just try to help yourself. Make sure that you're going into the assignment also. I think some of you were just accidentally going into vocab.com and the random list would pop up and you would just start answering questions on that. So make sure you're going to the assignment. I am not here tomorrow, and you will have different plans for tomorrow. And then I will see you all on Friday. Bye.